So hi friend, this is Amit and you are at my channel Information and Educational Video. Here I am going to discuss about AEEE 2023 exams, how you can achieve 200 plus marks within the preparation of 15 days, 16 days. You can say if you have the basic knowledge of the syllabus, that is class 11, 12. If you are prepared well for your board examination or any entrance exam, that is the JEE mains or VIT, it will be very easy for you. But the dynamics is different here. Number of question, difficulty level is different here. So you have to prepare accordingly. If your target is Amrita University, then here you will be getting the complete information to get good mark. That is out of 300, how you can get 200 plus marks within 15 to 16 days. That I am going to discuss here. That is complete exam pattern. What are the important chapter that you need to cover? How you will cover subject wise? I will be discussing everything. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel. So first of all, let me discuss about the exam pattern. So first thing that you need to keep in your mind is total number of question will be 100, out of which 40 question will be from mathematics, 30 will be from physics, 25 will be from chemistry, and 5 will be from the English will be very easy, and all the 3 subject question will be also easy level, not like JEE mains level, but from last 2 years you can say they are asking a little bit tough question, but not as tough as JEE mains exams. So how you will cover them? So first of all, I would like to inform you there is 1 marks negative, 3 marks for each correct question and -1 for each incorrect question, and total time of the examination is 2.5 hour, and the medium of the examination will be English only. So the important thing is that what are the chapter that you need to cover. So first of all, let's discuss about the physics. What are the chapter that you need to cover? So first of all, you need to cover unit and dimension. Thereafter you need to cover oscillation and wave, heat, thermodynamics. Thereafter you need to go with electrostatics, current, electricity, and magnetism. These are the very important chapter that you need to cover, particularly for AEEE 2023 I'm talking about. And there is modern physics as well, and KTG, kinetic theory of gases. So these are the chapter that you need to cover from physics. All the chapter that are coming in JEE mains or board examination are not a part of AEEE syllabus. So please try to go according to the syllabus, and better to go only those chapter whatever I am telling you, because that will give you 200 plus marks, and once you get 200 plus, you are sure to get the Coimbatore campus with CSE branch. And very soon I am going to provide you the marks versus rank data for the AEEE as well as other entrance exam also you will get. But for AEEE I will be providing you marks versus rank, and also the rank versus college, that is Coimbatore campus and Bangalore campus and Amrita Puri campus, Chennai campus, and there is a new campus in Amravati as well. I will be discussing about that also in my next video. Now if you talk about the chemistry, then first of all basic concept of chemistry, that is mole concept you need to have. Thereafter atomic structure, thereafter chemical bonding, thereafter SPD block of element, not the F block, only SPD block of element, thereafter solid state, and thereafter you need to go with gaseous state and surface chemistry, and thereafter there is chemical kinetics, and also you need to go with the biomolecules and environmental chemistry. If you are good at GOC, that is general organic chemistry, then you can do organic chemistry as well. Otherwise you can skip whole organic chemistry, because it will make you more negative in the examination. So now I will talk about the mathematics, because mathematics are having highest weightage, that is 40 marks. So for mathematics, first you need to go with set relation function, thereafter complex number, permutation combination, binomial theorem, sequence series, matrix determinant. Thereafter you need to go with probability, and then you need to go with the vector algebra, 3D, and also probability. I think I already have mentioned about it. And then you need to go with quadratic equation. So these are the chapter that you need to cover from mathematics. So this is the number of chapter that you need to cover from physics, chemistry, math. Now I will discuss how you will cover the chapter. Before that, I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that once you register, from now until you get the good result. And after that, to get into your college, it is complete counseling guidance I will be providing you. Particularly I am talking about AEEE, but if you are looking for any other entrance exam like JEE mains, JEE advanced, or VIT EEE, or COMEDK, VITSET, I will be guiding you for that as well. If you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge for that obviously, but you will get the maximum out of that. Whatever you will pay me, you will be getting maximum benefit, because I am guiding the student from last 4-5 years. Particularly for AEEE, you can check the video, that is previous year video as well. All the data are correct and the guidance were perfect, so that a student get the Coimbatore campus, Bangalore campus, Amrita Puri campus with the CSE branch. If you want, you can contact me according to your goal. I will be guiding you on a daily basis. I will provide you the materials also, that is required material to get into the best college, that is of Amrita University I am talking about. So here first of all for chemistry you need to go with just your NCERT book or board level book, whatever you have, because in chemistry there will be very easy question. And in physics you need to go with the detailed concept first, whether in the form of one shot video from YouTube or from your coaching center notes you can go. But next for mathematics you need to have more and more practice. So now the question arises, from where I will do the practice? So you need to go with the previous year question. You may not able to find. Once you register, I will try to provide you chapter wise previous year question so that you will able to solve. It is not possible to provide you here and there, because according to your goal I will be providing you. You don't need to solve every chapter. If I will provide in public, everyone will be going for all the chapter and you will end up with getting low result, and that I don't want. That's why I'm making this video to aware you all and try to solve the question from other entrance exam. Also you can solve like VIT, EEE, SRM, Manipal, but EEE question are quite unique. I will be providing you all the material, concept and question, everything. You just need to contact me and just follow my instruction. So this was the complete roadmap to get 200 plus marks in EEE examination of 2023. So hope you find this information very useful for you. Please try to subscribe the channel so you will be getting all the updated information at the right time in this same channel. Thank you.